Welcome to Walmart Pickup Tower Training. What is Pickup Tower, you ask? Well, take a look at that orange tower in front of you. This is our new way to help our customers get their orders faster than ever. Let's see if we can help Matthew remember all the steps to load the Pickup Tower with these site-to-store orders. You got it. Scan the ASN to receive the staging tray. Instead of the ASN, you can also use the package container number or tracking number to scan the site-to-store package. Think you know the difference between staging items in the pickup tower versus the lockers? Let's put your skills to the test. These objects should be staged into the lockers instead of the pickup tower. But what about this item? Here we have a mature-rated video game, which is an age-restricted item. Any age-restricted items will need to be stored in the steel. Additionally, you may encounter items that have spider wire or magnetic sensors. These need to be removed and deactivated before they are stored in the tower. You have completed the pickup tower activity.